Hello boys and girls, it's Miss Tiffany and my assistant
Riley.
And today we're going to show you a new way to make a bird feeder. Today you're going to need popsicle sticks. We have two different kinds, the regular and the long wider ones. You can also choose to do colored popsicles if you like, totally up to you. You will need glue and bird seeds. Alright, you'll need a flat surface also, because I learned while starting this project that in order for your popsicles to stay together, they need to lay flat. So we have a table that we're working at. So the first thing you're going to do is get two popsicle sticks and you need to glue them together. Ready? So we just kind of put some glue down the side of it. And then you will stick it together. Now what you'll want to do is lay that on the table to dry. And you'll want to put however big that you want your bird feeder to be. That is how many popsicle sticks you will do. And we have our starting point already done. So here's the bottom. Also, another thing that I would suggest is after you lay your popsicles straight across and have them glued, I would add a bottom and a top to secure your sticks together. Alright, so this will be step one. Alright, step two is once you have your bottom like this, you want to put glue at your four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you will take your popsicle stick and lay it across. 1 and 2. And what this is going to do is create the base for your bird seed. After you go across, you're going to do the four corners again, but this time you're going to change the direction of your popsicle stick. So instead of going horizontal, this time you go vertical.
What's vertical?
So horizontal would be across, vertical would be up and down. So like this. Here you will keep doing this till you get the height that you want. And once again, we have already prepped and have started that process. And I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 high. So actually it's going to be 7 high. Okay? But one thing before you glue that on, you know your long popsicle stick, this needs to be glued on because this will be the stepping stool for the bird. So you'll take this, put some glue on your platform. Put some glue on your platform. Slide your popsicle stick through the opening. And create your birds. And that will be like so. Okay? Now then, the next step would be to, since I've already completed this, I'm going to turn around, put my four corners, and place this on top of my. Now remember, make sure you rotate from horizontal to vertical. Not quite wanting to stick for Miss Tiffany today. All right. Now then, once you have that glued on, I can actually add in a little bit more glue onto mine because it's not quite wanting to stick. All right. All right, so there we go. Now the next thing you will want to do, you can choose to leave this laying on a table if you would like, but we are actually going to take string and tie it on to ours. Chosen to use, you could use ribbon, you can use yarn, whatever it is, but we have twine. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take the very end piece, and right here you are going to wrap it at the bottom where the platform is, see? The stick right above the platform, we're going to wrap it around all those, tie it in a knot to make sure that it is secure. And I have already taken the liberty, I want to cut off my excess. And I've already taken the liberty of tying the other 4 strings. So here I'm going to set this up here high because I want my strings all to be the same length. And I'm going to cut it. So now we have our 4 strings. So this will be what you use to tie your bird feeder to the tree. And now you are ready to add the bird seed and hang it in your tree. All right, Riley.
How much? Can I use my hand?
Just put a little bit in. We're not going to put too much in ours yet because we're not outside ready for ours to go. But you will take it and you can fill it up as much as you, can't see where I'm at, as much as you like. All right.
Okay, now can I?
Until next time, I'm Miss Tiffany.
And I'm Briley.